Okay, I'm starting a journey here from the Kinning Park in the Glasgow towards the Silverburn. Okay, so there is a police car, so I'm waiting here, and still more cars are coming from my right side. Okay, now I'm ready to go. So I'm turning right from here. So from here, left lane. So left mirror, center mirror, position, signal, and then speed is slow. So I have to move to my right. No one is coming, so it's clear to go. So from the signal I'll be turning right. As you can see, the traffic light is red. I'm already checking my center mirror, right mirror, and then I'll put the signal and stay on the right lane. So after this turn there will be a roundabout, and from the roundabout I'll be joining the motorway. Let's wait for the green signal. Okay, you can see the left turning signal is on, but it's still for right turning the signal is red. Okay, now the signal is green. Okay, the signal is red again here. Okay, the signal is going to be green, so I'll be prepared for this one. Okay, the signal is now green. So I'll be turning right from here. So as you can see, the speed limit from here, it will start 50 mph. So I'll slightly increase my speed so that I can merge to the motorway easily. Oh, the motorway is too busy. It's too busy now. Okay, the good thing is I'm using a M77, so it's not busy for me. So I'll signal right from here and then check the mirror, center mirror, right mirror, and also the blind spot. The blind spot is very necessary, especially when you are joining the motorways. I'll check the left mirror and blind spots as the slip road is joining, so nobody is from there. If someone is coming from that lane, then I should either speed up, slow down, or the best option is to change the lane towards the right side so that they could merge easily. So for Silverburn, I need to leave at junction 2, as you can see in the road sign ahead. Okay, I'll be taking the exit from here.